Did you know that chronic inflammation is the hidden culprit behind brain fog, stubborn weight gain, and constant fatigue? Millions of people suffer from these symptoms without realizing that their diet is making things worse. But here's the good news. You can fight inflammation naturally, just by making the right food choices. In this video, we'll walk you through a 7-day anti-inflammatory diet that can heal your brain, stop weight gain, and boost your energy levels. We'll be drawing insights from experts like Dr. William Li, a world-renowned physician and scientist specializing in food as medicine, and Dr. Mindy Pelz, an expert in fasting and metabolic health. So if you're struggling with low energy, brain fog, or stubborn weight, make sure to watch till the end, because this plan might just change your life. Let's dive in. Section 1. Understanding inflammation. What is inflammation and why does it matter? Inflammation is your body's natural defense mechanism against injuries and infections. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it starts damaging healthy cells. This can lead to issues like brain fog and memory problems, weight gain and insulin resistance, fatigue and joint pain, increased risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. Dr. William Li explains that chronic inflammation weakens your body's natural defense systems, making you more vulnerable to disease. The good news: you can control inflammation with food. Section 2. The Anti-Inflammatory Diet Principles. Before we get into the meal plan, here are 5 key principles you need to follow. Eliminate inflammatory foods. Avoid sugar, refined carbs, processed meats, and vegetable oils. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Focus on foods rich in polyphenols, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Balance blood sugar. Stabilizing glucose prevents inflammation spikes. Support gut health. A healthy gut reduces systemic inflammation. Hydrate properly. Water and herbal teas help flush out toxins. Dr. Mindy Pelz emphasizes that food timing matters too. Eating within a structured window, also known as intermittent fasting, can help reduce inflammation and boost metabolic health. Section 3. The 7-day anti-inflammatory meal plan. Day 1. Detox and hydration. Morning. Start with warm lemon water and a cup of green tea. Breakfast. Chia seed pudding with walnuts and blueberries, rich in omega-3s and antioxidants. Lunch. Wild-caught salmon with roasted Brussels sprouts and turmeric dressing. Dinner. Quinoa salad with avocado, kale, and olive oil. Snack. Handful of almonds and dark chocolate, 80% KO or higher. Day 2. Boosting brain health. Morning, lemon water and matcha tea. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and mushrooms, rich in choline and polyphenols. Lunch, lentil soup with garlic, onions, and turmeric. Dinner, grilled mackerel with sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. Snack, Greek yogurt with flax seeds. Day 3, gut health reset. Morning, ginger tea with apple cider vinegar. Breakfast, coconut yogurt with mixed seeds and pomegranate. Lunch, fermented kimchi with grass-fed beef stir-fry. Dinner, baked cod with asparagus and olive oil. Snack, handful of walnuts. Day 4, reducing sugar cravings. Morning, cinnamon tea with MCT oil. Breakfast, oatmeal with chia seeds and cinnamon. Lunch, mixed greens with grilled chicken and tahini dressing. Dinner, vegetable curry with cauliflower rice. Snack, handful of pumpkin seeds. Day 5, energy boosting foods. Morning, matcha green tea. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with smoked salmon. Lunch, quinoa bowl with chickpeas, avocado, and tahini. Dinner, stir-fried shrimp with bok choy and garlic. Snack, dark chocolate and almonds. Day 6, fasting and cellular repair. Morning, herbal tea with a squeeze of lemon. Breakfast, skipped. Start intermittent fasting for the day. Lunch, bone broth with leafy greens. Dinner, grass-fed steak with roasted vegetables. Snack, handful of macadamia nuts. Day 7, deep anti-inflammatory healing. Morning, turmeric ginger tea. Breakfast, avocado toast on sourdough. Lunch, beet and walnut salad with goat cheese. Dinner, miso soup with seaweed and tofu. Snack, coconut-flavored chia pudding. Section 4. Lifestyle tips to enhance results. Beyond diet, here are 3 powerful lifestyle habits to maximize anti-inflammatory benefits. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep triggers inflammation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Incorporate movement. Walking after meals and strength training help reduce inflammation. Practice stress management. Yoga, meditation, and breathwork lower cortisol, which fuels inflammation. Dr. William Lee emphasizes that the combination of the right foods and a healthy lifestyle can dramatically reduce chronic inflammation and even reverse early disease symptoms. So there you have it, a complete 7-day anti-inflammatory diet plan that can heal your brain, stop weight gain, and boost your energy. The key takeaways: avoid inflammatory foods like sugar and refined oils. Eat anti-inflammatory foods like berries, fatty fish, and leafy greens. Support gut health, hydrate well, and manage stress. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Let's fight inflammation together and live our healthiest lives. See you in the next video.